Hey everyone! Welcome to our first video in this essential series designed by RE Exam Practice Pro to help you ace your California real estate exam. Today we're diving into the cornerstone topic of agency law, crucial for both the exam and your real estate career. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is an agency? An agency is a legal relationship where one person, called the agent, acts on behalf of another person, known as the principal, in dealings with third parties. In California real estate, that means brokers or salespersons represent a client, whether that's a seller, buyer, landlord, or tenant, in a transaction. The principal trusts the agent to act in their best interests, making this relationship fiduciary, meaning it's built entirely on trust and confidence. As the California Civil Code Section 2295 clearly defines, an agent represents another, called the principal, in dealings with third persons. It's important to know that this principal-agent relationship is consensual. It doesn't need to be contractual, and interestingly, you don't need to be paid for it to exist. For example, imagine you're a real estate broker who decides to help a friend sell their property voluntarily without expecting compensation. Even though you're doing this for free, known as a gratuitous agency, you still owe your friend, the principal, the exact same fiduciary duties of loyalty and care as if you were being paid. Now let's clarify who is who in this relationship. The principal is the client being represented, such as the seller or the buyer. The broker is the fiduciary representative of the client, the agent. And those third parties? They're the people the agent deals with on behalf of the principal, such as potential buyers or sellers in a transaction. Here's something important. When a homeowner signs a listing agreement, they establish an agency relationship directly with the broker, not the salesperson. The salesperson who finds the listing or brings a buyer acts under the broker's authority. This distinction matters because if that salesperson leaves the brokerage, the agency relationship doesn't change. It remains between the broker and the principal. But what if the broker or the client dies or becomes incapacitated? Well, in that case, the agency relationship terminates. We'll discuss termination in more detail in a later video, but keep that in mind for now. Lastly, let's briefly touch on the fiduciary nature of agency. A fiduciary is someone who must act with utmost care, integrity, honesty, and loyalty toward another. In real estate, this means the broker must put the client's interests above their own. This fiduciary responsibility is a cornerstone of agency relationships and sets it apart from regular business interactions. In the next video, we'll explore the different types of agents, such as general and special agents. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything important for your exam preparation, and check out our site at reexampracticepro.com for over 1,700 practice questions. See you next time.